we're going to jump into video 3 here of how we can manifest anything mini-series, okay? So if you haven't watched video 1 or 2, make sure you watch that. Video 3 here is going to be all about the secrets of feeling and impressing your mind with the image that you created in video 2. So in video 1, we started to know yourself. We understood your manifesting power, and our exercise was to say out loud an affirmation 100 times, okay? Sounds like a lot, like I mentioned, but it shouldn't have taken a long time. Video 2 was forming a clear mental picture of what you wanted. You decided on one thing you wanted. You wrote down the qualities, characteristics, how it would make you feel as if you had it, all down. Then we started to create this clear mental picture, okay? Now the secret and the hidden idea to making sure that picture is implanted into subconscious mind and into the universal substance to bring it to you is feeling, okay? Feeling is the key here. I want you to really nail the emotion, just one emotion you would feel as if you had this thing already in your life. So whatever you chose in video 2, whether it's money, whether it's this, whether it's this, whether it's this, whatever it was, how would you feel as if this thing was already in your life? Excited, balanced, relieved, excited, I already mentioned excited, achievement, accomplished, happy, grateful, okay? Whatever the emotion is, go ahead and write down that one emotion that you would feel. And I want you to feel that while you're visualizing the picture in your mind for 5 straight minutes. You're going to keep that still image on your mind of you feeling as if you had it. And it can be some motion. It doesn't have to be a still image. It can be you're in motion. Okay, that's what I meant by that. Still image is not just staying there with the image, but also kind of having a mini video go on in your mind of you receiving the thing and feeling the emotion as if you had it. So if you were excited, what would you do? You might jump up and down and celebrate. You might be running around your home and just saying, I got it, I got it, I got it. You know, I finally got the sale, I finally got the money, whatever it is, right? I finally got my quantum leap, okay? Whatever it is, see in your mind you acting out that emotion, okay? If you feel achievement oriented, see people congratulating you. It could be a spouse, could be a partner, a friend, family member, colleague, you know, whatever it is. See yourself being congratulated by others, okay? So whatever you would feel, see and imagine that feeling actually being there for you, alive in your body, okay? And then match your inner thoughts. Tell yourself, I am excited. So you actually do an I am statement into the feeling of what it would be like, okay? This is a secret to impressing your idea from the conscious, so what your thinking is, down into subconscious, where the universal part is going to take that and it's actually going to move it into form. Okay, video 4, 5, and 6 are going to be crucial. So today's exercise is for 5 minutes. See that little mini video going on in your mind and feel it to be true right now. Okay, make sure you watch video 4, 5, and 6 because you need all 6 videos to manifest anything that you want in this mini series. Okay, I'm just doing a little chunk so it's easy to maintain, and you could do this once a day. You could do all the videos in one day. Just make sure you do the exercises because no amount of watching the videos is going to manifest it. You're going to want to do the exercises. That's going to actually do it. And they're easy, they're simple, and they should be a lot of fun. Very effective exercises. Okay, so we're going to go into video 4, 5, and 6. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you throw a like on the video while you're here. All right, I'll see you in video number 4 here shortly.